Hello guys and welcome back to our channel. Today I'll be showing you how to get a bank heist in Monopoly Go. So in order to do this, first of all, open your Monopoly Go application. Now, to start a bank heist, you will need to land on the special bank heist tile during your turn. The tile will be marked with a vault symbol, so roll those dice and keep an eye on where you land. Now, when you land on the bank heist tile, you will activate the heist mode. This opens up a mini game or event where you get the chance to steal coins from other players. It's all about timing and strategy. During the heist, you will usually get to pick from several vaults. Each one contains coins, but some might also have bonus rewards, so choose wisely to maximize your haul. If you have dice or coin multipliers available, now is the time to use them. Multipliers can significantly increase the amount of coins you steal during the heist, making it even more rewarding. Once the heist is complete, your total coins will be added to your balance. The more vaults you unlock, the bigger your payout. Now you're one step closer to building your Monopoly empire. And that's how you pull off a bank heist in Monopoly Go. It's an exciting way to earn big coins and go ahead in the game. If you found this guide helpful, hit the like, subscribe and share your best bank heist haul in the comments below. Until next time, happy rolling.